everyone, I'm Vaijayantee, and today I thought of talking about one question that I get almost every day. Ma'am, how this PMP examination is different and how difficult it is. So I'll take that how difficult it is first. How difficult is this PMP examination? Well, the answer is it can be very difficult or it can be simple, straightforward examination. It depends on how you prepare for it. If you think about this examination as something that you used to do in your schools, read the theory, memorize it, go to exam hall, dump it on the paper, you get marks. If that is what you are thinking about, that is what you are getting ready about, no, this examination is going to be very difficult. On the other hand, if you think about this is a standard, best practices, how am I going to use this so that my project can deliver better? If that is what you think about, you will be able to pass really easily. So what we do in EPMA is both of us, both the trainers for PMP, we have 30 plus years of experience of industry. We have used those best practices practically on our projects, and we teach you exactly that, how to use this knowledge practically on the project. So what you get is you get the knowledge from us, you understand our experiences, and you develop skills along those lines. That is what is going to help you pass, not that memorizing of anything. So what you do is understand exactly how to use those best practices on projects. How do you do that? When we teach you, we don't teach you theory. We teach you how this theory can practically be used. We tell you stories from our own experience so that you really understand how this theory was used effectively on projects. One more thing I would like to tell you here is, how do you prepare for the examination? Memorize all those stories? No point. You are not going to get questions on those stories. So what questions you get? You get questions, all the questions, 180 questions you get in the examination. And all of them are situational. Something goes wrong in the project. Can you analyze it? How is the project going right now? Is it going on all right? Are there any problems? Can you analyze it? If you can analyze it, what is the first step that you are going to take to resolve it, or what is the solution that you will have for that particular question? These are the type of questions that you get. So what is getting tested? It is whether you are an effective project manager or not is what is getting tested through all of those questions. So when you prepare, what we say is just use our notes. Do not read anything else. You do not need to. Typically, many of my students ask me how many books we should be reading, how many good books are there on project management. Well, let me tell you, there are only about 10,000 good books on project management. We really want to read them all? No, right? So, what should be the material for your examination preparation? EPMA notes, nothing more. Just read those EPMA notes. Just reading those EPMA notes, will I be able to pass the examination? No, not really. Read those notes and connect to every topic with your own examples. You just think of how you will use that particular piece of knowledge on your project. So our own examples are there, you connect to them, and after that you create your own stories. You create your own experiences to share with that particular piece of theory. And so next time when you open the book, simple. You just see your experience, you just see the theory, you connect both of them. That's all you need. You will pass easily. So yes, you need to use only EPMA notes along with our experience, our stories, and your experience, your stories. If you do this, let me tell you, friends, this examination is not difficult to pass. There is one more tip I want to give you, though I initially did not think about it. Let me share it with you. How much time do you take, or how much time one should take for passing this examination? The passing this examination is not difficult. You can really pass it in about 4 to 6 weeks. But you should start preparing early. From day one of the training, if you start preparing, you will definitely pass it in about 35 to 40 days. I'm not saying that if you take more time than that, we will not support you. Of course, we will support. The relation between teacher and student is always a relation between teacher and student. Anytime you have any question about the examinations, we will answer those questions. We will connect to you. Come to me, come to us, call us, write to us. You will get answer to your questions. And it's not only about PMP examination. Anything to do about your career in life, feel free to connect. We will answer. So see you in the class very soon.
Friends, this is Satish Kamat from Effective Project Management Academy. Many people want to do PMP trainings and they would like to know same questions, different people, and instead of every individual calling again and again on different days, what we have done is we conduct 1 hour introductory session for knowing what we cover in PMP. So in this, please join these 1 hour sessions and you will come to know what is PMP, what is expected while studying PMP, or what are the requirements from PMI side, how to apply for PMP, and all this you will know in real time, because this is a real time 1 hour session for letting you know what is PMP, how to study, what benefits are there from PMP, how you will gain from PMP, how much does it cost for you, and how much time you need to spend for this. And also, of course, I will be telling you some simple tips for passing PMP. So this is what is the intention of this 1 hour session. Please join today on the following, call us on the following number.